Exercise 69. Oxford Junior English Translation. I was to go. I was about to go. Difference? I was about to go. This is the correct and natural way to express that you were just on the point of going, very soon going to go. Example, I was about to go when you called me. I was to go. This is also grammatically correct, but it is more formal or old-fashioned. It usually means that something was scheduled or expected. Example, I was to go to the meeting, but it was canceled. Summary. About to equals immediate future action, almost happening. Was to equals planned, expected, or arranged. Exercise 69.
मैं जाने वाला था.
I was about to go.
हम लोग परीक्षा देने को थे.
We were about to take the exam.
राम दिल्ली जाने को था.
Ram was about to go to Delhi.
वे घर बेचने को थे.
They were about to sell the house.
तुम गाने को थे.
You were about to sing.
वह खेलने वाला था.
He was about to play.
रीता गाने को थी.
Rita was about to sing.
मैं नहीं जाने को था.
I was not about to go.
वे त्याग पत्र नहीं देने को थे.
They were not about to resign.
मैं शादी नहीं करने वाला था.
I was not about to get married.
वे लोग एक मोटर गाड़ी नहीं खरीदने को थे.
They were not about to buy a car.
शिक्षक नहीं पढ़ाने को थे.
The teacher was not about to teach.
मेरा दोस्त मेरी मदद नहीं करने वाला था.
My friend was not about to help me.
क्या राम जाने को था?
Was Ram about to go?
क्या मैं पढ़ने को था?
Was I about to study?
क्या वे लोग पटना जाने को थे?
Were they about to go to Patna?
क्या हम लोग परीक्षा देने वाले थे?
Were we about to take the exam?
क्या आप शादी करने को थे?
Were you about to get married?
क्या वह आने को था?
Was he about to come?